So AI has made creating content about 10 times easier. We know this. You can research a topic, write a blog post, create a YouTube video. That's obvious. But there is a problem with all of this. AI has made content easier to create for everyone, but it did not automatically make that content easier to monetize. So most bloggers, for example, still rely on generic pop-up newsletters. Most YouTubers still bury affiliate links inside the YouTube description or somewhere that's hard to find. Ultimately, most creators lose a majority of their audience and revenue after one interaction without making much money. So the real AI opportunity is not simply creating 10 times more content. It's how do we use AI to make more money from every single piece of content. So that's why in this video, I'm going to show you a 3-part AI content strategy that uses one new AI tool to make more money from your existing content in a dead simple way. This is turning YouTube videos into full-on interactive and monetizable guides. This is creating summaries of your content, your blog content behind an email funnel. This is how to make more money from every single piece of content that you already have produced. And it's all going to be done with one simple tool. So let's get into it. So before I get into the tutorial and how to use the tool and everything, we have to talk about kind of the problem here. Content and creation is only the first half. We also have to talk about monetization. So many people focus on the views, the traffic, how many subscribers they have without realizing how much money are you actually making every single month? What is the profit that you're making? Because everyone focuses on traffic, views, watch time, all of that. So the content creates attention, but a monetization system turns that attention into an actual asset. So that would be like an email subscriber, a click on an affiliate link to a purchase, a course sale, someone joining your community, something that actually makes you money. So the problem here is that most content only gives people a tiny opportunity to join something or make money for the creator. Let's take YouTube videos, for example. Someone watching a YouTube video on how to do something, they're watching a detailed YouTube tutorial, they should not have a blanket of random affiliate links to random products. Same thing is true of a blog post. If they're reading something about web hosting, they should get a specific offer to that. But most people just blanket their entire website with one single email opt-in. So the real bottleneck for the viewer or the reader is implementation. They might watch a tutorial but forget the steps and have to go back to it. Or they might read an article or only read 5% of it because it's 5,000 words and forget the rest. So really the truth is the audience does not need more information. They need this information turned into an easy next action. And this is what I'm calling the 10x content model. So first is a piece of content. That could be a YouTube video, a blog post, Instagram post, something like that. That then leads to a useful resource based specifically on that piece of content into a subscriber, into a relevant offer, into an actual sale. So in the past, tools haven't been able to do this because it has to get very specific based on every piece of content. No one has time for that. So instead of placing one generic call to action across everything, the strategy is to build a more relevant micro funnel around each important piece of content. Now let's move on to the actual AI tool that makes all of this possible. So I'm going to show you some content features for articles where you can have articles quickly summarized, sent to people's inbox so you can get email subscribers from all of your existing traffic. And then for YouTube, not just having links in a description, but having links to an actual full guide. So every single YouTube video can have a guide with your affiliate links, with paragraphs, with captions in an interactive way. This video is sponsored by QuickSum, and it's a tool that I fully recommend. I actually use. I dove in for a full week and using it across YouTube and blogging. So first, let's get to articles. So when we think about monetizing articles, we can do it through ads, we can do it through affiliate links, we can do it through selling products, building an email list, all of those things. The problem is people will Google something or find your blog through an AI chat or something. They'll read your article, but it could be 2,000 word article, 5,000 words, something super long, right? That's very hard to read the whole thing. People's attention spans are so much shorter now. They're not going to read the whole thing. So they need a quick summary. So it's a really simple tool that QuickSum can do where, watch this. So how to start a blog. If we start scrolling down this page, you're going to see how long this is, how many images there are, exactly what to do. There's not a great way to actually implement this. I'd have to save or bookmark the article, come back to it. It's just a lot of content. This is true of most articles online. So instead, what I can do is this quick sum box appears, get quick summary, get a summary of this post sent to your inbox. Put your email in, click get summary, and it'll summarize. And now you have that email lead from every single visitor. It might not seem like much, but when you think about it, if you're getting 10,000 visitors a month, 98 to 99% of people will read an article and never come back. This is a way to, even if you can get 2 to 3% of those people to join your email list, this starts becoming a monetizable asset. So the blog funnel can make money in a simple way. You could deliver the resource, email one, and then helps the reader solve the next problem. It introduces the relevant product. So I could have email one, here's the free quick summary guide. Here's a couple affiliate products you might need. Email three, please join our paid community if you want ongoing help. So every single article can lead into a funnel. So QuickSum really handles that first step, capturing the lead, sending them the resource. And then from there, it syncs into your email provider. So I use like ActiveCampaign, and it'll sync into ActiveCampaign, tag leads the correct way. And then inside of ActiveCampaign, I have an email sequence automated to send emails that way. So inside of my QuickSum dashboard here, we can go to For Bloggers Summary Creator. So what's cool is it can summarize every single article on your website. You can do it bulk or just a single article, or basically all the articles at once. You would hit a single article, you would paste the article in, you could send a test to see how it goes. You can use, this is what I recommend using Claude over ChatGPT because it gives the best quality summary. You can do summary colors, so you can change the color scheme, and then you can click Generate Summary. So I'm going to click Generate Summary. It's going to extract the page content, process it, use AI to create an actual summary, get it ready to send to people's inbox. So you might ask, how does this actually hook up with Claude or ChatGPT in the first place? It's actually really simple. So you go to Global API Settings, and you just add your Claude API key right here and your OpenAI API key right here. So in Claude, you go to your dashboard in the platform.claude.com for the little developer section. You click API keys, and then you click create a new API key, you copy that, and then paste that right into here. And it's the same thing with OpenAI. So you go to the platform.openai.com, and you can go to your API keys. You say create a new secret key. You can see I have one for QuickSum in it and make.com machine, and then it'll give it to you. You copy it, and then you paste it right into here. You can also integrate the CRM. So what I did is I selected ActiveCampaign, which is my email provider. And then inside of ActiveCampaign, you go to the API section, you copy and paste the URL and then the key right here. Boom, you just go down here, save API keys. I also have a transactional email service called Resend. That's a really free and easy one to set up. You just create a new account, set it up. Again, API key section, paste it here, save API key. So now everything is connected. So if we look at all of the actual summaries here in the library, we can see they all look good. They've all been approved, all the variants. Here's one on how to make money blogging. You can click to preview it. How to make money blogging is 2026. Summarize it. This is me back when I was working my beautiful pizza job with my friend Travis here, back when I was like in my mid-20s. Anyways, simple blogging blueprint. So it keeps the affiliate links. It condenses everything down to the main steps. And then it says, boom, get the launch plan. The important links are here. Read the full article. So that looks great. And then it has variants of each one. So you can say it passed the QA test, the content's professional, HTML is valid. All of these things are professionally done. It looks great. Let's just check out one more. Best online course platforms. We'll click this one. This is version 10. There's lots of different versions. After $1 million in sales, best online course platform. So here's the top 7. It has each one with the links. So really condensed into what the best one is. This is really great for affiliate revenue too, because it's giving the affiliate links in a quick, easy to click way. Summary, read the full article, boom. So they get that right in their email. And then this also is right here. So it goes to the privacy policy and shows that in the footer. So you can also see the widget builder. So this is actually building what the widget looks like when we see it has getting the summary into your inbox. So you can change the color scheme, you can name it. You can choose where it is. Is it in the bottom right, bottom left? Maybe you have ads like Mediavine ads on your bottom bar of your website. So then you just move it up 80 or 100 pixels. You can change the headline. You can change the description. Definitely want to add a privacy policy here that's required. And font size medium is a good size for it. You can preview it. You can see what it looks like. You can add triggers. So for example, exit intent, when someone's cursor gets near the top of the screen, yes. Or when they scroll 25% down the page, or if they're anywhere from 10 seconds to 3 minutes on the page. So you can do it based on time, scroll percentage, or exit intent. And then you integrate which tag they actually get put in. So you can say, this is master list. I want these people to be in my blog leads, a QuickSum blog leads tag. Then you go into ActiveCampaign, your email provider, you find that tag, and then you create an automation. On this tag, send this series. And you can also have your own affiliate link into the footer so that anytime someone uses it and sees the footer, they can click your affiliate link and get QuickSum and then targeting is all set up. There's a URL pattern. So for example, if you only wanted to create it on certain pages, you could do that, or exclude certain pages. Like maybe you don't want it on the about page or the contact page, you would put those here separated by a comma. That's pretty much it. Then you hit save widget and the site has already been set up. We have domains here. So all we have to do is to do this and set it up on the site. You copy the installation code, paste this whole thing into the footer, the header of your website. You can do that with a WordPress plugin. You can do it in a number of different easy ways. Once that is in, it is set up and hooked up to your site. So anytime that you save a widget, it's automatically going to just be added to the site. So that's the blogging side. Very simple, summarizing every single article and getting more email subscribers. Let's talk about the YouTube side now. If you're a content creator on YouTube, the YouTube description is a bit limited. So the YouTube description is the monetization zone. That's the only area where you can add links in. So you have a little bit of space, but if someone's on a phone, they're not going to be able to see it unless they click through. But you have space for affiliate links or other links, but it's a bit limited. So you might mention software, prompts, tools, resources, affiliate links, all these things in a jumbled list that's a little bit harder to organize and click on. So instead, what if we just took all of that, we did one link that went to an actual checklist, guide, resource, and people could actually read it like a real article and follow along with the video and easily find all the affiliate links, course links, and everything. What's really cool here is you click the edit button and then here's your YouTube video, here's your title, here's the URL slug. So you can just keep the title, basically URL will be the title. And then you do the resources. So link to the resources, like a Thinkific link I have here, and then the free masterclass and training, which is this link right here. Hit update, push it live. And now we can see the actual page. So affiliate marketing with Claude, another great example here that I just created where it has a step-by-step workflow. Let's try Claude, vidIQ, Prompt Smart, every tool that I mentioned. So it's actually an opportunity to really have more affiliate links in every video that you want. And then also, all the different steps in the video. And then again, join the AI Masterclass, click this, goes to my actual page so you can sign up and get more email subscribers that way. So it's really nice to see everything published in here. Imagine under my video, there's a link to this, not just a link to a bunch of links, like affiliate links, links to products, links to different things. It's just a simple link to this. So ultimately right here, save this guide to your inbox, get a copy with all the links, enter your email so they can enter their email there. It then takes this and gives all the video takeaways so you can actually read it. A step-by-step workflow. So look at this. Step 1, pick your niche and validate with AI. So it takes the transcript and it actually creates a full guide based on every video. So this is a great resource that every video should have and no one is doing yet on YouTube. So you can see, all right, I did this. I picked my niche and validated. But you can see, get this free thing and it links there. For this demo guide, it's disabled, but you link right to the specific masterclass, which is what I have in my YouTube descriptions. And then here's a prompt you can use, copy simple text. I like how it's all laid out in a, with the right font and the right color scheme. And then this is separated. So you can just copy this whole prompt. And again, step 2, build your website with Hostinger's AI Builder. So then it's another, here could be an affiliate link right here. Step 3, publish the content. So it takes everything from the YouTube video and you're talking about prompts, you're talking about tutorials, things like that. And it gives a follow along guide checklist with the video. Step 4, get your affiliate link. Step 5. So it's really long, really in depth, and a really helpful resource that can actually, make you more money in one of two ways. So it makes people signing up a lot easier because they can just join your email list to save this guide into their inbox. They would click this link. They would also get into your email list. If they clicked on Hostinger, then they're getting an affiliate link click. So they're doing all of these things in one place in an easier to digest way. So every YouTube video can have its own checklist and guide, which is really helpful to get more affiliate link clicks, more email subscribers. And that's the whole point. So it's really optimizing every single piece of existing content rather than just creating 10 times more content and not monetizing anything. And what I really like about this is not just summarizing the video, but it's actually like giving them implementation steps to implement what they just watched in the video. So if your niche is gardening, or it could be woodworking, or it could be playing musical instruments, whatever it is, you could have interactive guides with every single YouTube video with this tool. So when you auto-generate a video, it shows up under all your video guides. You can choose the settings, like for example, it has affiliate content or sponsored content. You can make the page visible to search engines. You can add specific tags to your email list if you want it to be different than the master settings that you have, but mine would be the same here. Email branding override. So for example, it could be from me, but then it could say, I could have it say something like here, download your free YouTube checklist, or I could change what the actual email subject line is. And I hit save settings, publish the guide, add your links in. So add it to the resources, add, your affiliate links, your course links, anything that you want into the guide, and then hit publish. And now you have an actual live link that has a full guide for every single piece of content that you create. So if we go back to QuickSum, you can see the interactive guides like widget performance, all the impressions, guide performances, email performance, average open rates and click rates. There's a lot of cost savings using AI because, again, one of these YouTube guides might cost 15 cents to create, super affordable. And if it's caching it, then you're saving a lot more money too. Shows performances by widget, the top performing variants, lots of different page performance breakdowns of individual articles, like each article, how many views does it get, how many impressions on the widgets is it getting, all kinds of different information. There's also a analytics and report section that shows you all the different submissions and everything that you're getting here. So this is a brand new tool. What I recommend is you click my QuickSum link if this looks interesting to you. You have some existing content you'd like to monetize better, get a little bit ahead of people by having more guides, checklists, summaries, things that people aren't actually doing yet, which is always good to get one step ahead in the marketplace. And what you do is go down here and you can join the founding circle. And as it's a new tool, be among the first to know when you go live. You can basically set everything up and get live and going, or you can do a one-time payment with no recurring fees. Own it forever. So basically, you can use this tool till the end of time for a lifetime fee, which is 20% off right now. So it could be something, especially if you're getting traffic already, you already have a YouTube channel, you want those guides. I would just sign up for the lifetime access. You get 20% off, and then you never have to pay monthly again. So again, the QuickSum link is in the description and the pinned comment below. So this is completely changing the old model of how content is monetized. The old model is create content, get traffic and views, hope someone clicks on the link, mention the tool, mention the thing, and hope someone clicks. Now this 10x model is create content, help someone implement this, capture the intent, deliver value, and recommend the next step. So the final insight is that creators should stop treating their entire audience as one audience. Someone reading an article, for example, about web hosting has different intent than someone watching a tutorial about YouTube or email marketing. Someone watching an affiliate marketing video has different needs than someone researching an AI writing tool on the same YouTube channel. So each piece of content should have its own resource, its own segment, its own offer, its own follow-up sequence, and that can be done with this tool. So when that happens, your content library becomes more than a collection of random articles, random videos. It becomes a collection of different funnels at scale, all leading to the same thing, but with an entry point that's different in every single one. So ultimately, AI has already solved most of the speed problem around content creation, but the next opportunity is solving this monetization problem. So for bloggers, that means turning long form articles into useful, targeted experiences that capture readers before they disappear and never come back. And for YouTubers, it means turning tutorials into interactive guides where the steps, prompts, resources, and offers appear in context. And for business owners, it means moving beyond just traffic and views and measuring what each piece of content contributes to actual leads and revenue. So again, if you're interested in using this tool, make sure to click the QuickSum link in the description and pinned comment below. You can use that link, join the founder circle, and check out the interactive guide they created for my YouTube video. It's really cool. And then sign up to the founder circle. Really useful tool. I appreciate the founder and everybody to make this possible. I've been using this tool for a few weeks now, and it's really great. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you found it useful. New way to do marketing with new tools, staying on the cutting edge of monetization, and monetizing every piece of content better. So please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I will see you in the next video.